Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox the latest Pike model number BL45 projector. It's a big screen viewing experience that you can get from this nice looking projector. Again, you can see that the box is really nicely designed. Going around it, it has some markings that you need to know about it first. But again, it is not a really colorful box. So once we open it, you're going to see the wires that are sitting on top, and then we'll go through it. And then also once you open more, you'll see the projector sitting inside of a nice looking sleeve. So once you take everything out, if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon. So this way you're going to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, click the like button, smash it. Also, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We really love to help you out ASAP. The components that are part of it is a user manual, which has a lot of information on how you can hook it up, how you can play the videos itself. Also comes with a nice looking remote. Again, it's a IR remote, and we will show where the sensor is so you can use this remote. It's very handy when you're trying to play with this projector itself. Also, it comes with a power connector, just a connector on one side, and the other side just goes to your electricity, which is created for Canada and United States. It comes with a AV connection, and that is just a adapter which will be connected to the back of this device itself. In the other side you have the yellow, the red, and the white, so that way you can connect it to your VCRs if you have. On top of that, it also comes with a HDMI cable, which is 2.0, and it is about 1 meter long. Again, it's a really flat wire. Alright, so we're going to put everything aside. You can see that the projector itself now, it looks beautiful. It is colored with red and black, and again, it's very shiny on the top and also around it. When you see it, you're going to get really attracted to it, since there is some weight to it, not like the other projectors. It is not light. And on top of that, when you go in the front, it's really nice. Have a cut in the front. You have a big lens for the projector itself, and then going towards the middle, you see the name of the company. Then you do see the little IR sensor. And then going on the right side of it, you have some holes for ventilation. And yes, once you turn it on, it breathes. And then going in the back part of it also, you have some holes for more ventilation. In the bottom part of it, you have a little part for the keystone fixing. We will show you that in a few seconds again. Going on top part of it, you have an HDMI connection which can intake 1080p, and then also you have the IR sensor, and yes, that's where the remote will be connected in order to work. Then you have two connectors. One is for the AV, so that we can connect your older devices like a VCR to this. There is a headset jack, so you can connect it to your speakers. Going on the other side of it, you do have a coaxial connection, and yes, you can connect your antenna to this. You can watch your local channels, but again, since we moved to digital, this is analog. It did not work for me. And then right beside that, you have the VGA connection, so you can connect your older type of laptops or computers to this. So this, we can use this as a regular computer screen. Beside that, you have a nice USB 2.0, so you can put all of your movies on a USB or pictures, and you can make a nice slideshow out of it. Right beside that, you do have the SD card slot. Again, you can take everything out of your phone on a micro SD, connect it to a little adapter, and hook it up to this so you can watch your pictures and videos. And then right underneath of it, you have the power connection, and on the right side of it, you have more holes for ventilation. Going on the bottom part of it, you have 4 legs so it can stand up. You do have a little holes there. That is the speaker. And then you have some more holes in the top part of it, so that way you can hook it up upside down on a ceiling, or you want to hook it up to a tripod, you can do that too. But it also comes with a little connector, so you can hook up in the bottom, and this way you can make the face of this a little bit up. So this way you can put it on a table and use it. You can see on the top part of it, you have some buttons there too, and this is how you're going to navigate through. If you do not want to use the remote, just press the button so it can turn on. Now, the first thing that we have done is we connected a USB, which we captured from one of our Kodi videos that we were working on. And you can see it is very clear, and we are just projecting this on a ceiling so we can get a quick picture out of it with a light around it. And then once you turn it off, it gets very, very nice and clear. Now, that's not only thing, it has a lot of menus inside of it, so you can fix the brightness. First thing I want to talk about is the keystone. So once you go to it, you can see that the keystone is very easy to fix, so the bottom part or the top part, and you can make it level. This way the picture looks nice and crisp. The next thing is the menus. Again, going back, so you have certain menus that you can set up the brightness, and also you can set up the ratio. Remember that once you connect anything to this via HDMI, the maximum resolution that will input is going to be 1080p. But remember that the native resolution on this is 480i, and no, it does not go higher. This is 480 by 800, and it is compatible for intake up to 1080p. Again, this is really cool. So the image size, so starting for about 30 inches, when we hooked this up, we were about 2 meters away, and we got good 100-inch out of it, and we cannot go more further since the room is a little bit small. The noise level stuck around 33 to 35 dBs, which is really good numbers for this projector. So those things are really standing out for us. Again, if you want to really zoom in, yes, you will see a lot of pixels there, but it is not as visible as some of the other projectors that are out there. So again, with the price range of what you're going to get from this really worth having, and this is really cool thing to play with. Again, you can play a lot of things through USB. Not only that, if you have the HDMI connected, even if you connect your Apple TV 4, this will do the job for you. But you have to understand that certain things do have some little pixelation. So if you want to play video games on this, again, it looks beautiful as I'm showing you right now. When you're playing your video games, you don't see much latency from the controller to the screen. I have to mention a few things that it works really good in a dark room. So if you have some light, you can see it that how faded it will get, and the more light that you bring, it will get really faded. The cost do matter on this. So this is a really good projector. It is average projector, and again, with the price range and also with the quality that they have created, this should cost a little bit higher than what they are asking for. Links will be available where you can order it from. If you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video about this projector. We love to help you out. And again, if you want more pictures, it will be available on our website, which is exitex.info. Except that, follow us on Instagram, also Facebook, and make sure that you subscribe on our YouTube channel. Hey, thank you.